Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this free, Australian lamb. As you can see, this was on sale, and it's like antibiotic free, but it is already pre-seasoned. Check this out. It's French. We got the lamb, and then you got like spices, herbs, thyme, garlic. So here's the nutrient panel. So I'm gonna cook it up and do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so here's the lamb. So it's all cooked. It's actually, quite a good size. Here's what it looks like. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test. It does have a lot of thyme flavor, so it does come through. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.